In this video, I'll show you how to add Adblock to Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to your preferred search engine. Type in Chrome extension and click on Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to type Adblock. Look for the official Adblock extension. It's usually the one from getadblock.com, with millions of users and high ratings. Click on Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will now install the extension, and a confirmation tab will appear once it's done. Adblock will start working immediately, blocking ads on websites as you browse. If you want to disable Adblock on a specific site, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of Chrome, select Adblock, and choose Pause on this site. To turn it back on, go to the same place and click Unpause Adblock. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.